Are your AirPods driving you absolutely bonkers by constantly cutting out? Let's troubleshoot this frustrating AirPods disconnecting issue, so you can get back to your music first. Let's start with the basics. Check your Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. Simple, right? But it's a common culprit. Next, ensure your AirPods are properly selected as the audio output. Sometimes your phone might be connected to a different device. Tap on the audio settings and make the AirPods are chosen as the active audio device. Now, for the slightly tougher stuff, sometimes resetting your AirPods is the key. Put your AirPods back into their charging case and close the lid. Leave them in there for about 30 seconds, then open the lid next to your iPhone. Hopefully, they should reconnect automatically. If that doesn't work, try resetting your AirPods. If your AirPods are connected, unpair them from your device by tapping on the icon next to the device name. Once they are unpaired, put the AirPods back in the case. Close the lid after 30 seconds. Open the lid and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the light flashes amber, then white. Reconnect your AirPods to your device. Finally, let's make sure your device's software is up to date. Outdated software can cause all sorts of connectivity glitches. Go into your settings, then to general, and finally to software update. Download and install any available updates. Keeping your device updated can often resolve these types of issues. Hopefully, these steps have fixed your AirPods disconnecting problem, and you can go back to enjoying your audio.